Today we're checking out this cordless metal compressed air duster, and this was sent to us by YAMOSO for the purpose of this review.
Now let's check what's included. Right here is a multi-language user guide that will give you more information about the device, their support information, and device warranty. A pouch bag for storage, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Please note that the power adapter is not included. Also included are 3 different types of cleaning brushes. We'll also get 3 different sizes of nozzles. A pointed nozzle, a flat nozzle, and a brush nozzle. And right here is the metal compressed air duster, which runs in 180 watts brushless motor and is powered by a rechargeable 8000 milliamp hour battery that can be charged through this charging port.
I can see the build quality of this compressed air duster. This compressed air duster is fully made of metal. You can expect durability because of its aluminum casing.
Now when it comes to the switches and buttons, right here is the power switch, which also turns on the LED display that shows the level of airflow and the battery life. And right here is the gear switch. Give it a normal push to change gears, press and hold it anytime to enter into the aggressive mode. And lastly, the light switch that turns on the light that is located inside the air duster. This compressed air duster is somewhere around 320 grams or 0.7 pounds, which is comparable to a can of soda. I also use this digital scale to show you how strong the airflow that is blowing from each levels of this air duster. The loudest we can hear from this air duster, which is the aggressive level, is comparable to a hair dryer, which is somewhere around 88 dB in a close range, which is pretty loud. But of course, we don't use this air duster close to our ears like the way I have it close to my phone. So our ears should be hearing a lot less. That is why it's completely safe. This compressed air duster is great for clearing leaves, light snow, and dust. You can even use this to inflate beach toys or air mattresses. Use it to boost the flames on your campfire or on your fire pit. And with its lightweight and compact design, you can just bring it with you anywhere, anytime.
So guys, this is the cordless metal compressed air duster from YAMOSO. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.